Hi there guys and gals, good afternoon to each every one of you. One rainy day, sad fiesta. Wasn't able to catch up the procession here at the heart of the ocean because the tricycle there on the highway are nowhere to be found. So I decided not to come over there in Victory, wherein they will be starting to have the procession in the heart of the ocean. At the heart of the ocean. See those two. So I'll just wait here. Happy Fiesta, San Roqueñans. And you know what guys and gals, according to my childhood friend Pinky, this is the first time that they had encountered heavy rain during the procession at the heart of the ocean. So I'll just wait here when they aboard. But for now, I'll give an update. I'll just go home first.